I've just completed the 3-day bootcamp for Speakers Institute, and to say I've gained confidence and clarity is a complete understatement. I have had the best time here, and I encourage everyone to come along and join in on a 3-day bootcamp for Speakers Institute.
And I must say, I thought it was going to peel back the layers, but it irreversibly cracks you to the core to help you find your authentic, true self and deliver your message to the world. I'd recommend it to anyone.
What an awesome experience. Boy, did I get clear on my message, and boy, do I feel embodied and empowered to share my story and make a change in your life. Can't thank the team enough for such a great weekend.
If you've been a speaker and you want to transform your speaking to another level and move out from behind the lectern to own the screen, please join in and come to one of the boot camps.
Oh man, it has been an amazing experience. It's given me the opportunity to really dig deep and to pull out of me what my passion is and to get out there and can't wait. I just can't wait to use everything I've learned over these 3 days. Do yourself a favour and join the Speakers Institute.
I've just spent 3 days at the Speakers Institute Bootcamp, and I've learned clarity of message like I couldn't believe.
I learned a lot of things. The team is awesome. It is a non-threatening experience, and I'm going away with a lot of skills in me how to speak effectively to my audience.
Courage, growth and transformation are 3 things that I've experienced over the last 3 days. Sign up if you haven't already.
And the thing that I loved was 2 things. One, being in a really supported environment so I could learn how to speak publicly. And the other thing that I loved was meeting all the other business owners and hearing their stories.
Just spent 3 days at the Speakers Institute Bootcamp up here in sunny Brisbane, and I've really enjoyed developing my own message and understanding that I've got value to give in my industry and how to present that further. It's been a wonderful journey with amazing support.
I'm here in the bootcamp for the 3 days. Bootcamp helped me to break the comfort zone, and I'm comfortable to talk in front of people. It helps a lot. I would recommend you guys join it and then take advantage.
At Speech Institute for the 3-day bootcamp to spread my message. It's been amazing. Learned a lot of people's messages, and it's been great connecting with everyone. I would highly recommend it to anyone who's thinking about public speaking, because it definitely helps you come out of your comfort zone.
It has been an incredible 3-day journey of moving through your uncomfortable pain of being on stage and committing to a really clear message, and I've just loved everything that I've gotten out of it. Incredible people, incredible connections.
3 days of awesome bootcamp. I met wonderful people, learned a lot and spent a lot of nerve energy. If you want to push your boundaries, I recommend to attend.
And at 3 days bootcamp that we've just been here for Speakers Institute, I came and I've had my breakdown to have my breakthrough. It's been amazing.
I just finished the workshop with Speakers Institute. I did the workshop just to learn how to communicate a little bit better, but now I can actually feel like a real speaker. I have the scripts, I've got the formulas to now step on stage.
Came to this bootcamp of Speakers Institute. What I'm getting away from this is I can stand on the stage and speak for myself. Thank you, Sam.
First of all, I want to thank Sam and his team for a fabulous time. And for people who are thinking about joining with them, I invite you to go ahead and do that, because one of the main things that I got out of this camp is I got the best boost for my NLP career. Thank you. Good luck.
I'm here with Sam and his team, learning how to speak publicly with confidence in front of people. Great boot camp, 3-day session. Thank you, team.
I've just completed the Speakers Institute 3-day boot camp. I had a wonderful time, met some awesome people and learned heaps, and still got a hunger to learn more. If you can do it, do it.
It's been an unbelievable experience. Just to see everyone's transformation from the first day till now, it's unbelievable to see. So thanks, and highly recommend it.
And I have to say, it's been fantastic. It challenged me in all the right ways. It supported me in all the right ways. It's taken me to the next level when it comes to speaking publicly and in front of audiences, and I'm very, very grateful for the experience. So if you're wanting to take things further for yourself, one of the most important things you can do for your career is be able to speak in public. So just do it.